In this video, we're unboxing and installing rear shock absorber tower tops on this Ford Fusion. Display rear shock absorber tower tops. Tools used for disassembling the rear shock absorber tower tops. Shock absorber tower top disassembly assembly tools. 15mm deep socket, 18mm deep socket, 19mm deep socket, large ratchet wrench, large torque wrench, large electric impact wrench, flathead screwdriver. During installation process, use a transmission jack to assist installation. Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen wheel lug nuts. Lifting the vehicle. Using a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove wheel hub bolts. Removing the wheel hub. Use a transmission jack to support the lower control arm. Using a 15mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the fixing bolt between the shock absorber and lower control arm. Removing the bolt. Using an 18mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the fixing bolt between the shock absorber, tower top, and vehicle body. Removing the bolt. Removing the shock absorber. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the plastic cover on the top of the tower top. Remove the plastic cover. Use the tower top disassembly tool. Remove the tower top bolt on the rear shock absorber with a large ratchet wrench. Use a 15mm socket with a 6mm square drive. Attach the ratchet wrench. Attach the large drive socket. Assemble the ratchet wrench. Loosen the bolt. Remove the tool. Use a 15mm socket to remove the nut. Remove the nut. Hold the bushing to remove the tower top. Comparison of new and old rear shock absorber tower top. Due to the damage of the upper rubber bushing on the old shock absorber tower top, replace with a new shock absorber tower top. Install a tower top. Insert the bushing. Secure the nut. Use a special tool to properly install the tower top bolt. Tighten the bolt. Remove the tool. Install the protective cover on the tower top. Install the shock absorber. Secure the bolt to the tower top. Using an 18mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the fixing bolt of the shock absorber tower top. Securing the fixing bolt between the shock absorber and lower control arm. Secure the other bolt. Using a 15mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the fixing bolt between the shock absorber and lower control arm. Use a 15mm deep socket with torque wrench to tighten the bolt between the shock absorber and lower control arm. Tightening. Torque 70 Nm or 52 foot-pounds. Use an 18mm deep socket with torque wrench to tighten the bolt of the shock absorber tower top. Tightening torque 90 Nm or 66 foot-pounds. Remove the transmission jack. Move the jack aside. Installing the wheel hub. Secure the wheel lug nuts. Using a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the wheel hub bolts. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the wheel lug nuts. Tightening torque 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds.